Imagine that you're standing in your kitchen, and sitting quietly in your cupboard is a golden liquid that ancient Egyptians, Hollywood makeup artists, and modern skincare influencers all swear by. It isn't a $300 serum. It isn't a luxury cream with a French name you can barely pronounce. It's castor oil. People call it nature's Botox, and that's not just a catchy phrase. This humble oil has the ability to soften fine lines, promote a youthful glow, and restore your skin's bounce without a single needle. Here's the surprising part. Botox treatments can cost hundreds to thousands every year. Castor oil, on the other hand, might cost less than a coffee date, yet its results can rival expensive procedures for some people. The question becomes irresistible. Can a pantry staple really compete with cosmetic injections? To find out, we have to look at the science, the tradition, and the lifestyle practices that make castor oil such a timeless skincare ally. Section 1. The backstory of castor oil. Castor oil comes from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant. It has been used for more than 4,000 years in skincare, medicine, and even spiritual rituals. Ancient Egyptians used it to protect their skin from the harsh desert winds. In Ayurvedic tradition, it has been valued for its ability to balance the body and nourish the skin. Picture Cleopatra massaging a golden oil onto her face before stepping onto her balcony. That same ingredient could be the one you apply to your skin tonight before bed. Section 2. What makes castor oil unique? The magic of castor oil lies in one compound called ricinoleic acid. This fatty acid makes up about 90% of the oil and is known for its anti-inflammatory effects, its antimicrobial properties, and its ability to penetrate deep into the skin. Research published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology has highlighted the strong anti-inflammatory capacity of ricinoleic acid. Dermatology reviews have also pointed out its humectant properties, meaning it helps the skin retain water. Water retention in the skin is key to achieving plumpness and reducing the visibility of fine lines. Section 3. How castor oil mimics Botox-like effects. Castor oil does not paralyze muscles like Botox, but it can create a similar visual result in a more natural way. It hydrates the skin, and well-hydrated skin always appears smoother and fuller, which reduces the appearance of fine lines. It supports collagen by protecting it from damage caused by free radicals, helping maintain firmness. It also improves elasticity, giving the skin a bouncier texture that makes expression lines less visible. Imagine a wrinkled raisin sitting next to a plump grape. The difference between the two is water content. Castor oil helps your skin behave more like the grape. Section 4. How to use castor oil for your face. The key to success with castor oil is to choose a high-quality option. Cold-pressed, hexane-free oil is the best because it preserves the nutrients. Before applying it to your entire face, test it on a small area of skin to check for any reaction. Because castor oil is thick, you only need a tiny amount. Massage it gently into clean skin at night so it can work while you sleep. You can also blend it with lighter oils such as jojoba or argan to make it spread more easily. Imagine a single drop resting on your fingertip, slowly gliding across your cheek, leaving behind a satin-like shield that locks in moisture overnight. Section 5. Wellness habits to pair with castor oil. For best results, think of beauty as something that works from the inside out. Hydration is essential, so drink plenty of water throughout the day. Your skin can only hold on to moisture if your body has enough of it in the first place. Eating antioxidant-rich foods like berries, leafy greens, and nuts will help protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. Facial massage can be a powerful addition. Using upward strokes with castor oil can help stimulate circulation and support lymphatic drainage. Sleep also plays a big role. Aim for restful nights so your skin has enough time to repair itself. Tonight, after applying castor oil, try dimming the lights and giving yourself a 2-minute face massage. Feel how your jaw relaxes and your skin becomes instantly softer. Section 6. Safety and limitations. Castor oil is generally safe for most people when used on the skin, but it is important to avoid getting it in your eyes. It can cause irritation if it comes into contact with them. Those with oily or acne-prone skin should use only a thin layer to avoid clogged pores. While castor oil can help soften the appearance of wrinkles, It is not a substitute for medical Botox if you are looking for targeted muscle relaxation. Dermatologists often point out that while castor oil can improve hydration and strengthen the skin barrier, results vary depending on skin type, age, and lifestyle. Section 7. Lifestyle Takeaway. The beauty of castor oil is not just in its low cost or its history. It lies in the ritual. Taking a few minutes each night to care for your skin becomes a mindful act, a small daily moment where you connect with yourself and with a tradition that has outlasted empires and trends. Instead of chasing every new skincare launch, you are choosing something timeless and proven. You are pairing modern knowledge with ancient wisdom in a way that feels grounding and sustainable. For the next week, apply a few drops of castor oil to your face each night. Stay consistent with hydration and whole foods. Give yourself a daily face massage, even if it's just for a minute. Take a photo before you begin and another one after 7 days. Look closely at the difference. Your skin may feel softer, look more supple, and carry that rested, healthy glow that no filter can truly recreate. Now picture yourself a month from now, touching your cheek and thinking, "My skin feels amazing." No needles, no luxury creams, just a bottle of golden oil and a little consistency. Beauty doesn't have to be painful or expensive. Sometimes, it is as simple as trusting what nature has been perfecting for thousands of years. Castor oil might not replace Botox for everyone, but it can certainly become a beloved part of your skincare story, one drop at a time.